Hi guys, welcome back. To, Today I have my hair up and I kind of feel like a little girl. It's quite cute. I also hope the weather won't change. I'm still behind my sofa, but I kind of like it now. I kind of got used to it. I will change it, I promise. I just need to get some more stuff for it. I'm not happy with the backdrop that I have, so I'm gonna have to purchase some more things. So yeah, I have a bit of an exciting video for you today. I want to do an open and unboxing, first impressions of the Morphe x Jeffree Star Artistry palette. I also have one of his mirrors as well, and I've always been a very big Jeffree Star fan. Whatever he goes through, like I just love seeing what he's doing, and it's amazing to see what he's gone through to get where he is as well. But yeah, when it comes to makeup, you know, you gotta love what he does because his stuff is really amazing. And I never had the chance to buy any of his eyeshadow palettes. I explained that stuff in my other video, like why I've never like indulged into makeup. But now I'm feeling very creative. I'm feeling like I want to do some colourful stuff with eyeshadows, and yeah, I decided to get the Artistry palette because it had a discount on it, and obviously, you know, I do love discounts. I do really want the Alien palette. That's like my favourite one out of all of them at the moment, and I hope it will come back soon. I also really can't wait to get the cremated one. I definitely want to buy one up, like see if I can get my hands on it. I also have the Jeffree Star mirror. I don't know if I've already said it, but yeah. I'll do like a little unboxing of that because I've always wanted to get my hands on one of the mirrors. They are awesome, like just to if I ever do like a little tutorial for Halloween, I can use that mirror. Here she is. It's definitely very Jeffree Star, like the pink and everything. Obviously everyone probably has seen his videos. So I am a bit late to the game because this palette has been out for like several months now. So I'm assuming people have seen it, people have tried it, but I wanted to have my little first impressions on it. Yeah. So here she is. Ooh, is that pretty? And the shadows. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, the bottom row was my favourite one, and probably the second row as well. Like green is my favourite colour, but in his video he's wearing like a green and pink wig, and like I live for it. I think that's why I fell in love with this palette, because it has pinks and greens and it kind of works. I wish I had like pink hair right now just to match it as well. But yeah, here are the eyeshadows. They are so pretty. I know that he was talking about having a new formula for millions, and I think custom rims. It's just divine how colourful this is, and I can't wait to play around with it. Should I swatch something? I really want to swatch Nate. Wow, that's very nice. So this is Nate. It's very nice. Green. I love that kind of type of green. And I really want to swatch Self-Made because this eyeshadow was very nice. I know people talk about Fallout, and I'm assuming that's Fallout. I don't know if it's because I'm doing it with my fingers. It might be different when you have a brush and stuff. But that's Self-Made. And let's try Millions. Wow, it's so buttery. He was not lying. Wow. I wonder if that'll show. Let's try that one. Yeah, it's very nice consistency. I think these are the only threes that I will try on camera. There was a little bit of a fallout on that pink shade, and the green one actually, but I don't know if it's because I'm doing it with my fingers. Yeah, but it's very pretty. It's so colourful, and I can't wait to like do some kind of looks for it, especially for Halloween. I'm feeling like I love Halloween. I was born in October, so I'm a very Halloween baby, and I can't wait to like do some looks of this. Does anyone like the cremated palette? I've seen people's comment on his cremated video, and people are saying that that's probably the most usable like palette that he's done. And I think he always talks that he's an artist, he likes to express himself. That's why he has so much colour with his palettes, and I love that about him. I do hope he will release like a green palette. Like that would just give me so much happiness and joy, because yeah, green is definitely my favourite. Or like green and some pinks, I think that would be so nice. So I don't remember how much I've paid for this, but I know for a fact that I had a discount code, so it was cheaper, plus it was free delivery. So, you know, you can't go wrong with this. And I'm happy that this is my first palette. I've always wanted to make my first like palette, like a Jeffree Star palette. So yeah. I also have his mirror. I love how massive the packaging is. Like, it's just so cool. And I got the, does it say what colour it is? It was like an opal looking one. It's very pretty. Ooh, look at her. Oh wow. I think it's iridescent, that's the word. But yeah, that's the mirror. It's so like amazingly big, and I think that's awesome, like when you try and do something. Yeah. It's, the material of it is like plastic, but it's like a good plastic. I don't think it will ever break. I mean, I'm gonna be careful with it so I don't break it. But yeah, it's like, I love this colour. I love anything like iridescent, sparkly stuff. It's just so pretty. I kind of want to purchase like a black one as well, just so I have more. But yeah, that would do for now. And yeah, that's it. I only purchased 2 of these things. I kind of want to get more into his lipsticks again. I had them like a long time ago, so I did throw them away, because obviously makeup does have expiry dates. So yeah, I'm kind of starting over with makeup. Yeah, that's what I want to say. And we'll see how it goes. I do have a makeup look that I've planned, and I can't wait to like show it. I'm excited. Yeah, it makes me happy to do it. So yeah, I will. Let me know if you have this palette and if you like it. If you don't like it, let's discuss it. And let me know if you have any of the mirrors as well, because I think they're so cute. And yeah, we can all talk about it in the comments. Subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.